Hi everybody, this is just a quick one. I wanted to show you something. I was getting quite frustrated because, as you can see behind me over here, I planted these various things, trees and brush cherries and gem squash and all of that in here, just testing out how it would work, because everybody that I was looking at on the internet was swearing that it would be absolutely brilliant. And so I thought, well, let me try it. So I put some perlite into them and some soil, and then I put the water with the string in. And these have been here for, I don't want to lie to you, since the 14th of the 3rd, and nothing has come up. And I was quite upset. I mean, I did I don't know if you can see a tomato in this one here, and it came up beautifully. I've still got to thin these out. But yeah, it wasn't working. And it was just where I was at in the moment in life where I was thinking, geez, it feels like I'm fighting every battle and nothing is winning. I'm not winning. And yesterday morning I came into my kitchen, and I don't know if you can see. Let me lift you up here quickly. My coral tree is flowering. I'm so excited. It's a win for me because, like I said to you, by the way, that isn't mold on the, if you can see it, it's not mold on the rope. It is, it was soil that it fell into. So that's why it's like that. But yeah, my coral tree is growing. So after ages, this was also the 14th of the 3rd of me trying or planting it. It's suddenly something starting to happen now. So and yeah, that just reminded me a little bit about life. You know what, sometimes we feel like all we do is strive and fight, and we just don't get it right, and then out of nowhere something pops up. So I hope you like, and I'll keep you informed as to how long and where and who and all the rest of it on how these grow. We need lots of trees for the farm. So this is one of them that I wanted to try and grow. It was a beautiful tree in my brother's yard. So yeah, let's see. Thanks guys. Have a good one. Speak soon. Bye.